Hello, welcome to my Gambian Kitchen, from our table to yours. Today I have another amazing recipe for you. I have a Beans Accara burger for you. Just the same method like you make akara. I'll have the akara recipe in the description box. And here I just have like a frozen beans all clean up that I blend, just like I'm making akara. Nothing different, the same process. The only thing is that these akaras are flat. So the best thing is if you have a cookie cutter, that's a perfect mold to use. I didn't, so I just freestyled it and it came out amazing. All you do is just build, take your burger bun, put your onion sauce, then just build it the way you want it. This is the patty. This is the bean patty. It was super delicious. This is a must try. And I'll leave more details in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I thank you so much for watching. And give this video a like.